things to have for email campaign. The first and foremost, you guys have to have email marketing service provider. The service provider like Constant Contact, Sendinblue, Drip, ConvertKit, Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, which are commonly used in email marketing. Now we need to understand which services provide you more features compared to their competitors. Email database. We should have either an in-house database which we create by our own, or we have to hire it from an external service provider. Now the problem with the external service provider is there are chances that we might get the duplication on the emails or the emails which are not active. And the next point is email template. To design a beautiful email campaign, we should have a template with a good logo, title, description, the set of images, the promotion, offers, call to action, and other main component which need an email template. And the next one is content. You should need a good content which should have a subject which attracts your audience. It should have a body attached with the template. It is also suggested to have an unsubscribe button at the end of your email. Now when a customer sends you an unsubscribe button, you have to unsubscribe that particular customer from your mail list. Knowledge about your customer. Best time to send email. Being an email marketer, you should understand to whom you are sending your emails to and what is the right time that you are sending an email. Most of the companies, they automate it. Let's say an example, suppose I have birthday on upcoming days. Every year on my birthday, I'll be getting a reminder or a wishes on that particular day. So automation is the one thing that you can implement on your email campaign, and you should know to whom you're targeting, what kind of customer you're targeting, and what is the right time that you need to target. Now let us understand the bulk email versus email campaign. Bulk email is that what you and me send. In bulk email, we blast email to all our database once with the same information and wait them to response. In email campaign, we send a series of email to our database in a planned, organized order to increase their interaction and increase the response rate. So email campaign will have a purpose called sale. Now where can we collect database? Email data can either be purchased or generated. When we talk about purchase, there are a lot of service providers like Lake B2B, Span Global Services, ZoomInfo, Hyena Fox, or sources to generate email, Google, LinkedIn, lead ads, opt-in forms. Okay, so when we integrate all these things on a website, it is easy for us to generate our own database.